Recording, okay, we're started now. Alright, hi guys, welcome back guys. This is it. I'm going to do my first unboxing because I'm a very lucky boy and I've got an early birthday present. Okay, here it goes. I'm prepared, I've got my special knife. Okay, this is a delivery from speedcube.com.au because I'm in Australia. G'day mate, how you going? Let's get in here, and what we've got is my new magnetic speed cube because someone chucked my last speed cube away by accident. Alright, so we've all seen this. Every video I've seen, the people have struggled with the box, right? So I'm going to look pretty cool. Slide it straight out. Straight out. I said straight out. Alright, oh yes, okay. Now what I'm looking forward to is the lube. They say it comes lubed, and that's great for a beginner like me because you don't really know anything about lubing a cube. So it's already done hopefully, but this looks pretty dry. I think I got ripped off. Oh yeah, it comes out pretty nicely. Oh yeah, I can feel it, okay. Right, so I think what they say is first impressions, first turns. Oh, of course it's smooth and buttery. Okay, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, I've improved. Okay, a few nerves. Yeah, I like it. Alright, so I used to have the Volk 3M, but I've been using this Quiyi sale until then. But here I go, I'm back to the magnets. Yeah, there's the magnets. Alright guys, so thanks for being involved in my unboxing. I recommend this cube to anybody who can't afford a more expensive cube. But I like it, this is good. Okay, now I'll go, now I'll do a solve. Are you ready? Okay, bear with me and set the 3-minute timer. I'll start with the white cross. Oh, almost done. Okay, and now sledgehammer in the corners. Okay, I've got the keyhole because I'm going to make a yellow cross on the top. So I put yellow in the keyhole. There's my yellow cross on the top. Put this white over the top of the keyhole and do 3 sledgehammers. Now I do the soon to get the... Whenever you find the yellow cross, you do the soon. And then you'll get a different pattern, like the fish pattern. Then I'll do the soon again. Okay, now I'm halfway through. So I'm going to find headlights. I'm doing J-perm. That's a shout out to J-perm. Alright, and now I'm doing up. They say parity, I think, so you do this. Alright, I should have U-perm now, so I'm doing the U-perm B. Good. Okay, now I'm going to solve the E-slice, is that right? By doing this. This is the slowest part for me. Alright, I want this blue over here. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. I wonder what my time is so far. Okay, so now just do this. Alright, I totally like this cube. I'm keeping it. And then, yeah, that's good. So the E-perm is done, or the E-slice is done. So now I rotate and I look for another headlights. J-perm again. That's my second shout out for J-perm. And what about a shout out for U-perm? Is there anyone out there called U-perm? If there is, this one's for you. And now I'm up to the last part. Ready? Here you go, kids and adults. This is I call this the Helmer perm. And there we have it. Solved cube! Yeah! Okay, stand by for my tutorial on the Helmer method. Yo! Oh, sorry about that. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for watching the channel. Yeah, thanks for watching the channel. And cut.